Hi students, today I was working on Wichita Lineman, and here are the chords, and this is the one by the Men at Work frontman Colin Hay, and we had some new chords we have yet to see before. For instance, the intro, a B flat major 7th, which you could see is on the strings 2, 3, and 4, and it's fingers 1, 2, and 3. And it's a full measure, and then a C2, a full measure, I am a lineman for the county, and I drive the main road, searching in the sun for another overload. Dot, 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 dot. I hear you singing in the wire. I can hear you through the wine. And the Wichita lineman is still on the line. Okay, have fun with this. Excellent.